Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the power number 4 and the power of number 3. This one is bigger than this one. So we can use about long division. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So because we just have s to the power of number 4, that means they are missing about 0 s to the power of 3, 0s square and 0s. So we have s to the power of 4, this one s to the power of 3, so we need to multiply by s. So add with s to the power of 3, we have s to the power of 4. Then we have s and 2s squared, that is about positive 2s to the power of 3. And then we need to minus 2 equations. So this one minus this one, you got number 0. 0 minus number 2, we have negative number 2. And now we put this one cone here. So the next one, we need to use about negative number 2 because we have negative number 2s to the power of 3. So later that negative number 2 we multiply by s to the power of number 3. And we have this one in here. This one with 2s squared, so we have negative 4s squared. So we need to minus 2 equations. So negative number 2 minus negative number 2, you got 0. 0 minus negative number 4, so negative and negative, we have positive. So we have positive number 4s squared. And now we can put number 1 cone here. Because this one is now bigger than this one. So this one, that is about remainder. And now we will have like this. So we have like this, the integration of s, we have s squared over 2. The integration of number 2, we have negative 2s. And now we need to concentrate on this one. So we could just focus on this one. So we need to do about factorization by s squared. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about a over s squared, b over s, c over s plus 2. Now we do common denominator. This one, it is missing about s plus 2. So capital A multiplied by s plus 2. About this one, it is missing about s and s plus number 2. This one, it is missing about s squared. Next, we need to expand. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of S. About S where we have B plus C. About S we have A plus 2B. About the numbers we have 2, 8. So now we need to compare coefficients. We have number 4. That means B plus C equals to number 4. We don't have S, so this one equals to number 0. And 2A equals to number 1. And here is the solutions of A, B, C. So we put A, B, C, go back in here. So A equal to 1 over 2, B equals to negative 1 over 4, C equal to 17 over 4. And now we have the final answer. Now we need to compile the value in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.